In this video, you'll learn how to make viral ASMR videos, discover different AI video tools you can use, learn how to monetize AI ASMR, and explore different ways to make these videos. To create ASMR videos, sound is everything, and Google's Veo3 model is perfect because it automatically adds sound when generating your video. To use Google Flow, open Gemini subscription plans. The free plan does not give you access to Google Flow or the Veo3 model. For that, you need Google AI Pro or Ultra plan. If you're a university student, you may be eligible for free access to Google AI Pro, but this offer is not available in all countries. Google also offers a 1-month free trial for new users. To activate it, choose the Pro plan and add your card information. If you don't want to be charged, be sure to cancel your subscription before the end of your trial period. The free trial may not be available in all regions or for all accounts, and Google may apply a small temporary authorization fee on your card to verify it. Another way to access Veo3 is through third-party tools like Krea AI and Leonardo AI. These tools aren't free, but they cost less than using the main platform, so you can try Veo3 for a lower price. Before writing your prompt, you need to decide what type of ASMR video you want to make. You'll see some examples like slicing, eating, carving, cooking steps, painting, squishing, tapping, and more. You can use these as inspiration or even combine a few to create your own unique video. The easiest way to write better prompts is to use ChatGPT. Here's a sample prompt structure for Veo3 ASMR-style videos that you can use in ChatGPT. Simply replace the parts and brackets with details you want to include in your video. This is just a starting point. You don't need to follow it word for word. Learn how to chat with ChatGPT. You can just describe what you imagine, and it will turn that into a perfect Veo3 prompt for you. So don't worry about using a special format. Focus on explaining your idea clearly. In Google Flow, start by selecting one of your existing projects, or create a new one. Then, choose the text-to-video feature. To generate ASMR videos with sound effects, make sure you select the Veo3 model. If you choose the quality model, it will cost 100 credits for each video. If you choose the fast model, it only costs 20 credits. so it's better for testing more prompts. Select how many outputs you want. 1 or 2 is usually best. If you don't like the result, just try again with another prompt. Now, write your prompt, check the settings, and generate your ASMR video. To make your ASMR videos eligible for monetization and more views, you need to follow these basic tips. Create original content and don't just copy other people's videos. You can edit, record, and enhance your own content. Make sure your video has the right content. ASMR videos should focus on relaxation and sensory experiences. Upload regularly and focus your content on what works. ASMR niches like eating sounds and specific triggers like slurping noodles are popular. Stay in a niche that you enjoy but also has an audience. Your video should be high quality, and clear audio and video are essential. Make sure the sound is perfectly clear. No distortion or echo. It should feel natural and immersive, meaning the listener should clearly hear every bite, slurp, and chew. Focus on an action like eating noodles or chopping vegetables. The camera should stay still and avoid moving too much so that the viewer can focus on the ASMR experience. The most common angles are close-up and top-down views. If you're recording ASMR and not creating it with AI, your video should have as little external noise as possible. This means silence during recording, and if there is any unwanted noise, be sure to remove it during the editing stage. Make sure your video title and thumbnail are eye-catching and relevant. They should indicate what type of ASMR is in the video, like ASMR with the sound of slurping spicy noodles or ASMR with rapidly chopping vegetables. In the description, ask your viewers what they would like to hear next, or give them tips for enjoying ASMR even more, like using headphones for better sound. Engaging content usually attracts more views. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Start using AI to create content and earn money online. And if you have any questions, ask in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial.